In the field of organizational theory, the functions of management represent the primary activities that managers must perform to ensure that a business operates successfully. Originally categorized by Henry Fayol and later refined into the POLC framework: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These functions provide a logical sequence that transforms raw resources into finished organizational goals. 1. Planning, the foundational step. Planning is the first and most crucial function because it involves setting the organization's objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve them. It is a futuristic process that answers the questions: what do we want to achieve, and how will we get there? This stage involves environmental scanning to identify opportunities and threats, followed by the creation of strategic plans, long-term, tactical plans, medium-term, and operational plans, short-term. Without effective planning, the organization lacks direction and is forced to react to crises rather than anticipating them. 2. Organizing, structuring the work. Once the plan is in place, a manager must organize the available resources, human, financial, and physical, to put that plan into motion. Organizing involves developing an organizational structure that defines the chain of command and the distribution of authority. Managers must identify the specific tasks required, group those tasks into logical departments, such as marketing, finance, or HR, and assign them to specific individuals. This function ensures that everyone knows their role, who they report to, and what resources they have at their disposal to complete their work. 3. Staffing, putting people in place. While sometimes grouped under organizing, staffing is often considered a distinct function focused exclusively on human capital. It is the process of filling and keeping filled the positions in the organizational structure. This involves manpower planning, recruitment, selection, and placement of the right candidates. Beyond hiring, staffing also encompasses the training and development of employees, performance appraisals, and determining fair compensation. Because people are an organization's most valuable asset, the staffing function is vital for maintaining a skilled and motivated workforce. 4. Leading, directing, influencing behavior. Leading, also known as directing, is the action phase of management. While the previous functions prepare the stage, leading is where the manager influences and motivates employees to perform their tasks effectively. This function relies heavily on soft skills, including communication, leadership styles, and motivation theories. A manager must be able to inspire their team, resolve interpersonal conflicts, and guide the culture of the department. Effective leading ensures that the individual goals of the employees are aligned with the broader goals of the organization. 5. Controlling, ensuring results. Controlling is the final function that completes the management cycle by measuring performance against the original plan. It involves 3 specific steps: establishing performance standards, measuring actual results, and taking corrective action if there is a significant deviation. If the organization is not meeting its targets, the control function allows managers to identify why, whether it was a flaw in the plan, a lack of resources, or a failure in leadership. This feedback loop is essential because the insights gained during the controlling phase directly inform the next round of the planning phase.